Are you doing a snake?
A body roll.
A body roll? Okay. Is it fly in the wall?
A body roll.
Body roll.
Body roll.
Oh, and it goes down the body.
Gotcha.
And then
We should have seen this coming.
Is she crying or dancing?
She's cry dancing.
Are you biting?
Oh, make sure you bite. Don't bite hard. You don't want to break
Bite
it.
it now. Just think, in 3 days you'll be dancing again.
That's right. What's the matter? What's the matter? You're okay. Brianna, you are feeling the effects of medicine. You are doing fine.